Experience the beauty of the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire's campus all year round. From the vibrant colors of fall to the serene snow-covered landscapes of winter and the blooming flowers of spring to the lush greenery of summer.
Hey guys, I'm Allie Shelton. I'm a sophomore here at UWEC. I'm a communications major. My favorite thing about the nature on this campus is that whenever I'm feeling down or I'm just in a bad spot with like finals or homework and I'm stressed out, I can just go on lower campus, enjoy the trees. I can even go in like Putnam Trail and walk behind there and go for a little hike. Last year a deer jumped out at me, so that was fun. That was a moment. And I would say my favorite time of year when it comes to the nature at Eau Claire is during the fall, because the leaves changing color on campus is like my favorite. I love like the cherry blossoms that bloom, the gardeners. Good for y'all. Y'all kill that.
What are you waiting for? Come, visit UWEC and see the beautiful nature for yourself.